How to hide your likes on Twitter. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your likes. When you like a tweet, it becomes public for everyone to see, which may not be ideal if you want to keep your activity private. Firstly, go to your Twitter app or X app. Now you have to tap on your top left corner of your screen as shown in the video. Here, tap on the last option that is called Settings and Support. After you're done tapping there, you can see there's another option called Settings and Privacy again. Tap on it. In these options, you have to tap on the fifth line, which is Privacy and Safety. Now, as you can see, there's an option called Audience and Tagging. Tap on it and toggle on the Protect Your Post option, which will ultimately help you to hide your likes on Twitter. Remember, only the people who do not follow you cannot see your likes, but people who follow you can definitely see your likes. If you found my video helpful, please give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.